My name is Sue Harmon. I'm the Head of Science at Carterton Community College and I lead a team of about 5 people.
Today's training session is on energy.
The sessions start after school. Vicky always makes sure there's biscuits and we bring tea. And it's all built around discussion, and it's to build your confidence and to bring out any thoughts that you have. And Vicky's particularly good at making us think.
It's got a vibration store, and you just mentioned that as sound, but what is that?
At Carterton they don't have any physics specialists at all. They're good science teachers and they have good knowledge of their own subject area and actually of some aspects of physics. And what we've been trying to do is to probe gently at the areas that they're not so confident in.
What it really highlighted for me, what was really good, was picking out my misconceptions, because I'm not a physicist. It really, pinpointed certain things for me that I thought, oh crikey, I've been doing that wrong for a while.
I think it's very good to have somebody that you can ask about things that you're not sure about. I've been in the position of teaching chemistry and biology as a non-specialist, and I know that you tend to stick to the things that you're really sure about. You're not willing to ask open-ended questions.
When you're not a specialist in a subject, you automatically kind of, put yourself down or think, oh, I can't do this as well as somebody else, or you always think there's a kind of a bit of a grey area over it. But then for me, I sort of realised, well, actually, no, I'm quite good at quite a lot of this. Thermal.
Light and sound, but there also must be some heat.
Thermal.
I'm
glad you
I think my confidence has really grown, and it's shown me my misconceptions quite dramatically. Things I was very confident in, I realised were not quite right.
It's enabled science departments to get together and discuss science and ideas of ways of teaching. And I know, because they've said so, that this goes on after I've left, which I think is really important because it has to be self-sustaining in the long run.
It's hard, but you enjoy it because you're working as a team. It pulls you together as a team and you're sharing ideas. So it's not fun, but it's enjoyable because it's challenging, I suppose.
It's quite funny when you start thinking about the phrase stimulating physics, but I have to say, I truly find physics interesting now. I think it really has stimulated me, and I think because I'm stimulated, therefore my students are, and it's much more of a buzz in my lessons because of it. I'd recommend it to anybody. I mean, such a free resource, so wonderful, tailor-made to whatever you need. They ask you what you want and you tell them, and it's the most fantastic thing. I think if any school were to decline it, they'd be utterly mad.